Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about PLR and a niche that you could be interested in going into. So it's going to be a combination of a little bit of a niche research. I'm going to be showing you the gratitude PLR niche and how you can actually get into this and how I would approach this. There's so many different niches out there, right? And there's a lot of niches that you can get good, high quality PLR from, and you can turn it into a full-fledged niche website in a pretty short amount of time using different technologies and different softwares. So let's jump in. So I'm in Ubersuggest, and if you wonder why I'm able to get so many searches in here or so many keywords, right here you can see I have thousands. I've narrowed it down already. I've put a filter on it, so it's already ready to go. This isn't going to be a tutorial on how to use this tool, but I've already got it filtered in to find the best keywords that are going to be semi-easy to rank for. But I do have a lifetime access to Ubersuggest, so that's why you can pay monthly for this tool. It's pretty inexpensive, or you can actually, and there's no affiliate program or anything like that. I'm just suggesting this is one of my favorite keyword tools. Or you can pay, I think, around $300 or $400 one time, and you can just have it for life, which that's what I did. Okay, so I just typed in gratitude, okay? Gratitude and giving thanks, contributing and giving money or tithing to churches or other services that are in need. Like if you wanted to donate money or give money to a good cause. And there's a niche out there for this, people researching why they should give and how that can actually offer more abundance in their life. It's kind of one of those things where it's like, I've got $100 left. How I can't afford to send this money to somebody that needs help because I need the money. Well, in fact, a lot of people believe that if you actually donate that money that you kind of don't really have to give, that you will be able to get that back tenfold. So it's a really powerful niche, and people that are researching this niche are in that state where they do want some good information they're trying to look for on how they can have more gratitude in their life. Okay, so it's a powerful niche. Now I've typed in gratitude, and I've got it between 10 and 10,000 searches. Anything over 10,000 in the volume is just going to be too competitive anyway, so we wouldn't really want to go with that. Then I have the SEO difficulty filtered down to easy, and you can see right here you could actually look at like what gratitude means. Relatively easy to rank. You could go and look at the search results, but gratitude verses would be a really good title to include in a title, and then put in, make a post, best top 50 gratitude verses of the Bible or something like that. Okay. Gratitude 30-day challenge. You could go and you could even hire someone on Fiverr for $10 to go out there and create you a really cool infographic to put on there. Then they could share that out to Pinterest and other social media platforms. And you could have a really nice long form post as well on your site. All this stuff ranks really, really well. So we come through here, and you can just look. Some of these, even gratitude games for kids, you wouldn't think of that, right? But doing this keyword research, it really does spark the idea generation, and as you start flowing with ideas. Who showed gratitude in the Bible? So everything has to do with gratitude in here. People are going to be typing this stuff in. Is gratitude and appreciation the same, right? So you can do gratitude versus appreciation and things like that, right? So there's a lot of easy keywords. Look at all these, all green keywords in here, all search volume, how gratitude helps mental health, right? And so what you would end up doing is you would have all these keywords you could go after this year in 2022. If you wanted to expand it, this is the suggestions, the really laser targeted ones. You can go over here and click on related. It's going to open it up. There's 5,000 inside here. And we could go ahead and also put a filter on that if we wanted to. I'm going to go look at questions real quick as well. It says there's 26 questions in here. Some of those were already on the other side as well. Are gratitude and thankfulness the same thing? So these are really good pieces of content that you could create, and they're very easy on the SEO difficulty score. Okay. So then what would you do? You could also go grab these, but in order to create your content, You could come over here to places like BigProductsStore. You guys, I've put this on the channel before. It's my favorite place to get, it's one of my favorites. There's other places where I pay one off to get high quality content, PLR content as well. But this will definitely get you started. I think if you're going to get into the PLR business, a BigProductsStore is one of those must-haves. You may as well go pick, and I'll leave a link below. Go pick this up. You can go and pick this up for like $100. Usually it's on sale for around $100, and you'll never have to pay again. You'll have unlimited content to over 10,000 PLR products. And so this one is kind of like a daily must-have. They're going to add products daily to this as well. But look, I just typed in gratitude. There's attitudes of gratitude, a full ebook. There's a video course. You could put that package together, rebrand it as your own, and then sell it on your website, right? If you need a product to sell, right? You could even get a head start with this niche as well by going in here. I went to expireddomains.net and I typed in gratitude on a deleted domain. So you could go and actually pick these up. These domains were dropped over 30 days ago. The status, they're all available. You could go now, do your due diligence. This is also not going to be a tutorial on how to go and check out backlinks and see if any of these are blacklisted or negative SEO websites. You'd want to make sure you've done your due diligence, and also, stay away from like gratitude, maybe 2017. Someone even spelled, they were in such a rush that they even, instead of saying 2017, or I don't know what 0217 means, but, you're going to want to go and look at the backlinks and make sure you're comfortable with, it was registered in 2010. So I guess the 0217 does not mean 2017, but just go and check this out. Gratitude journal template, imagine gratitude with gratitude and grace, or graduate to greatness of gratitude. That's kind of cool. Equip gratitude. This one, gratitude capacitor. It's a couple years old, and you can go and just check those out. But you can get an aged domain that is basically already branded and has gratitude in it. That's going to help you rank faster. Okay. And so, and then what you could do if you want even higher quality, and most importantly, exclusive PLR, right? New product launched today. Just wanted to share this as well. Some of these products that come out on Warrior Plus, and what I'm doing is actually creating a video to show you how I would go out. Now, I have so many different things I'm working on in my business. I'm not going to go out and do this one right here, right? But there's so many things you can do with this PLR. This one just hit Warrior Plus. If you want to pick this up, there is a link below to go and pick this up. And I believe you can pick this up for like $8. So this one, yes, the price is going to rise to $17 in a few days, but right now you can get it for $8.25. And what are you going to get with this, right? So you're going to get 12,900 words of unique content, high quality content. And let's say they're probably going to sell maybe 50 or less copies of this. So it's going to be very exclusive. And you have to think to yourself, how many people are actually going to go out there and do all these things, do all this research right here, start writing content. You can use this content and you could repackage it. So here's kind of two things I would do right off the bat. I would take it as is, rebrand it as your own, put it on the website, and sell it, right? Sell it for $10. Sell the ebook for $10 to people that come to your website over here that you're ranking right here. Okay. Another thing you could do is you could take the content from here. Let's scroll down here. It talks a lot about the niche, but here's all the content you're getting. You can actually take all this content and you're going to have, how many articles is this? 15 articles. So you already have your first 15 posts on your website done for you. Now, don't just go and grab this and paste it on your website. You're going to want to go in and do at least a light spin on this, right? Now, I used to recommend as my top spinner, Spin Rewriter. Now you can use Spin Rewriter, and there's some light settings you can go in there, and it's going to be 98% human readable after you spin it, and it's going to be great. So definitely Spin Rewriter definitely works, still works today and everything. But my favorite right now, just for the quality, is the Quilbot. I pay for a premium membership per year. It's about $70 or $80. Now you can use different standard, fluency, formal, simple, creative, expand, shorten, and then you can move this dial here, the synonyms, and that's going to be how much it's going to spin. So I like to put it on like that first dot there and do a spin, and it's going to leave your content very, very readable, grammatically correct, and also going to be able to make it unique enough to where Google's going to pick it up as unique content, right? So you could take each one of these articles after you purchase this for $8, go in there and rewrite it, and then go publish it on a website. And you're going to have 15 posts done. Okay. Then what else can you do after that, right? Take the content that you just spun, or you can, at this point, use the regular, content that came with. And I actually like when they do it like this, where it's not just an ebook, because these are all separate. They stand alone on themselves. You could start a YouTube channel. You can start a gratitude YouTube channel, and you've got your first 15 videos right here. Okay. And then you can go and use softwares like Pictory and others to go and make these into videos. So like, there is so much you can do with PLR to start making money online, right? And I teach this in my premium PLR Profits Academy course as well. So it sells for $97, and it's a 5-star course. I have a lot of students enrolled in this course. It's over 2.5 hours of over-the-shoulder video content of me showing you exactly how I make money with PLR and how I go about turning PLR into courses and making money with courses and all kinds of different things, how you can publish this on different platforms. You can publish the ebooks on different platforms to make money. You can make money with PLR. If you want to get started with something and you do like the sound of PLR becoming a side hustle income for you, or even turning it into a full-time income, PLR Profits Academy is a great way to start as well. So I teach, I don't reveal this stuff on this channel. It's just secret information that I only include in this course for people that pick the course up. There's a link below. Obviously, you can go pick that up. So if you want to go and pick up this unique package right here that's only available for a couple days for $8, get into this niche, then here is the Power of Giving, and you're going to get 13,000 words of content. And this is an evergreen niche as well, so that's very important as well. So that's how I would go and attack this niche, right? Start off with some good keyword research, start writing content. You can outsource this content. You can use an AI writer to do this. You can spin content with Quilbot. You can pick up PLR from here at BigProductsStore. You can go and get a domain that's already aged, so it gives you a little bit extra juice and maybe a little chance to rank a little faster. You can go and pick up this premium exclusive Power of Giving content as well. You can use different spinners. All right. So just wanted to kind of recap that. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods so you don't miss out on videos like this where I do tutorials on how to make money online. Until next time, take care.